These next 4 weeks are going to be revolving more around hip hop. Just as in other videos, even if you do not study hip hop, they are still great to observe so that way you can try to incorporate some of this stuff into some of your other techniques. But again, the primary focus is going to be more hip hop inclined. This week we're going to start by kind of breaking down what hip hop is and go through some of the different aspects and styles of hip hop. I traditionally teach street hip hop, and to me that's a lot more important because that is where you get the history of what hip hop is today. Throughout this week, we are going to talk about popping, locking, house, whacking, and a little bit of the history of hip hop and a little bit of the challenge for those who do cross train in this direction. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about popping. I will see you then.